What's up, you guys? I'm back with another video, and this time I'm going to show you how I do my brows every day. Now, I get a lot of compliments, so I figured that this would be a great addition to add to the other makeup videos that I already have. Okay, first off, I start out with just sort of shading my brow in, but starting with a line at the bottom of my brow. Then I use my spoolie, which is on the end of my brow pencil, and I just keep combing my brows through. And what I'm doing is I'm trying to even out the color to also give a very natural look. Honestly, my brows look different every single day to me. I love my brows every time I do my brows, but I do notice that they do look a little different. The goal is to just really shape your natural brow. That's really all I'm doing. My brows are naturally arched, but they're really skinny. So I like my brows to be a lot fuller, so that is why I fill them in. Start off with the beginning of the brow, and then I work my way shading in all the way to the end. Once that's complete, I go back over for a very sharp finish. I take any concealer. Just so happens I'm using the Too Faced concealer in this video, but I take a concealer that's about a couple of shades lighter than my skin, and I shade the brow, but only underneath. This gives you a more finished and sharp but natural look. Well, that's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.